Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to recharge phone by Paytm. Friends, we all use Paytm these days and it's very easy to recharge your mobile phone through Paytm. So in Paytm, press on recharge and pay bills. Now here press on prepaid oblique postpaid. Now here enter your mobile number on which you want to recharge. Now here enter amount of recharge and select fast forward and press on proceed to pay. Now friends, as you can see on screen, I have received a confirmation message that I have recharged successfully. So friends, like this you can very easily recharge your mobile phone through Paytm. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.